Hello everyone, welcome to BioScope. I am a class 11 student who loves biology and practical experiments. When I started studying biology, I found many practicals and concepts difficult to understand. Sometimes the textbook explanation were not enough and I wish someone could explain them in a simple way. That's why I created this channel. I am not a teacher or an expert. I am a student just like many of you. Here I will share what I learned, my practical experiences, microscope observations, and useful tips that help me understand biology better. On this channel, we will explore biology practicals together, learn how to prepare slides, observe specimens under a microscope, draw diagrams, and discuss interesting biological concepts. I hope that my learning journey will help other students who are facing the same difficulties that I face. We'll learn together, make mistakes together, and improve together. If you are interested in biology class 11 or 12 practicals and scientific exploration, then please subscribe to Bioscope and join this journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bioscope, learning biology together.